Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to apply a green screen to your snap on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and let's check out what we actually have in front of us here. In the bottom right corner, we have spotlights, we have stories, we have your camera, of course we have your chats and location. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and apply a green screen to your snap on Snapchat. So to do so, it's pretty simple. You just need to go guys and follow these few steps. So first of all, open the Snapchat application. After that, from the vertical menu, present on the right, tap the plus symbol. After you have tapped on the plus symbol, select the director mode option. After you have selected the director mode option, then tap the green screen option. The icon is similar to the QR code scanner. Then present on the right side. That is presented on the right side. Click on it, and that's basically that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.